Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at some car ramps. They're from Pittsburgh Automotive. Harbor Freight sells them. They hold up to 2,000 pounds each. Solid steel. I think they're 8 inches tall. It's what their lift height is. They're like 35 inches long, 13 inches wide. Let's open them up and see what we got. And they are heavy. Well, the ramps look like they're well made as usual. Pretty heavy duty. 1 ton each. That's what they're rated for, 4,000 pounds for both. They've got an inch lip on them, 13 inches wide. They've got punched traction holes in them, so you can, get traction whenever you're pulling your vehicle up, lawnmower, whatever. And as usual, Harbor Freight usually has a pretty good price on everything. I think they're going to serve my purpose. Let's try them out and see if they work. And you can see the ramps work good on your lawnmower. That's the main reason I bought them. But you can use them on an automobile, car, whatever you need. I think they're great. Now I don't see nothing wrong with that. Very good quality, I like them. That raises the vehicle up fairly good height, so you can work under good. You need some good car ramps that are fairly inexpensive. Go to Harbor Freight. Pittsburgh Automotive. Good deal.